Nimbus Wallet App: the pros, the cons. The Nimbus Wallet App promises to merge decentralized finance with smart automation, but is it a real game changer or just another DeFi wallet? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Nimbus is all about earning and automation. It allows users to access staking, liquidity pools, and yield farming directly through the app, removing the need to manually navigate multiple DeFi platforms. For those who want passive income from crypto, Nimbus makes it simple. Another big advantage is multi-chain integration. The app supports assets across Ethereum, in Smart Chain, and Polygon, making it versatile for DeFi users who operate on different blockchains. Nimbus also stands out for its governance token system, which lets users vote on key decisions about the platform's future. That adds a layer of community involvement and transparency. In terms of design, the wallet is sleek and straightforward. The app's dashboard shows your total balance, rewards, and active investments at a glance, perfect for keeping track of your DeFi portfolio. Now, let's talk about the cons. The first concern is risk exposure. Like all DeFi platforms, Nimbus carries smart contract risk, meaning vulnerabilities in code could lead to losses if exploited. Another drawback is complexity for beginners. While Nimbus tries to simplify DeFi, new users might still find terms like liquidity farming or governance staking overwhelming. And finally, market dependency. Returns from staking or liquidity pools depend heavily on market performance, so profits can fluctuate dramatically. In conclusion, the Nimbus Wallet App is an ambitious DeFi hub for users who want to earn, govern, and manage across chains all in one place. The surprising truth? It rewards those who understand crypto economics, but may feel risky for casual investors. If you're ready to dive into decentralized finance, Nimbus could be your launchpad.